Howdy friends and fellow pickers. We'll have an Ingersoll rim cylinder device here. Is the one that the very generous Mr. Bosscock, remember we get these away, he got 6 or 7 of them kilo like, and he done a giveaway on UKLS, and I've seen a couple of threads about these Ingersoll locks. So this one I found rakes pretty easily, so well, sometimes. So we'll see if we can get it to rake open, and then we'll see if we can have a look inside. I've never had this one apart, but maybe we can learn something, eh? So let's see. It does kind of take moderate attention. Use the octo rake. I think this is a good match for the job. And I'm just going to go in and rake back and forth. Maybe switch sides a few times. See what happens. So let's get started. Oh, sorry, actually, hang on. It's all locked up. As you can see, it goes a fair bit of slop in those in the keyway there, but it is locked up. As you can see, so let's get going here and try and not make this video half hour long, eh? Although it might end up that way because I'm not really sure how this lock comes apart, if it even does. Oops. Not the easiest pick to maneuver around inside here, but it does work. Let's go over, see if we can get the back side in here. And this side. It's tricky now. You always need to hold the voice to stop them jumping around everywhere, because this takes a fair amount of tension. When it starts to go, then it seems to be, if you lighten up on the tension, then it kind of goes a bit easier. Okay, let's try reset, try that again. Like I said, sometimes it's really easier. That felt good. I felt like I got something there. Maybe not. Come on now. Come on now, baby. Come on. Of course, when I sat down and said, I'll do a video on this lock. Maybe just make sure I can rake it open. And yeah, it popped open. Twice, actually. Yeah, it's not gonna look. Doesn't want to be embarrassed. I understand, I get it, but I think you're a good lock now, so come on, work with me here. I think I might be going a little too heavy with the tension. Oh no, it's always nearly there. Yes, there she goes. We got ourselves an open. As you can see, open sesame. This is a weird lock. Actually, you'll probably keep going almost all the way around, and it will not lock back up. Tailpiece and all there, torn for anybody who doesn't believe me. Okay, let's see, and I'm sure you all do. So let's have a look in here. Now you might have to bear with me because I've never taken these locks apart. I've had a wee look on what videos there are on the internet, and they look pretty complicated. So there's a few screws down there, but I don't think they do much. I'm just going to back them off a little. I think they just hopefully. I think they're just for mounting the lock. Let's just back them out a little. So close. It's not pinned there. It's probably going to give us the fight. Get that off. Also, that clip will too. Surely some of them. Okay, we don't need that anymore. We do need, however, to get at this snap ring. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck, gents. This is okay. Chicken. Oh, 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 oh. There's a bit of the plurs at the breaking off. Is it? I think maybe the two of them split. Okay, now come on. And have it completely shut. There we go. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. There we go. Okay, that was that. Okay, I can stay there for now. Now this guy. This is not going to be easy. Let me see if he will come here. Maybe with a beefier pliers, he might. Starting to come. Hope we learned something from this, eh? I hate to destroy perfectly good lock, but there's no key, and come on now. For this one, he's not wanting to come out. I don't want to lock it back up either because I'm not sure if it will come out if I lock it back up. So he is just hanging on in there. He's almost out. Almost. Okay. Come on, strip. Twist and pull. Twist and pull. Yes, kiddo. Hang on, I'm busy. I'll do it in a minute. Okay. This is really I'm the wrestle with this thing. And I'm not sure if she's gonna come. Dang it. Let's go. Maybe. I don't think it's going to. I'm going to keep on persevering. So it might be worth. Should be worth. It's not giving it all though, is it? No, gents, I don't think it is. So the only thing for it is. Oh, wait, if I do that, then I still can't get it out, can I? I'm gonna cut it maybe and force it back out. I just have to keep going. We have to keep going. No stopping now. I don't have a voice grip in here. There we go. Got some give there. Some give. It's almost there. Almost. Come on, baby. Oh, she snapped. She has snapped. She has snapped there. Distractions from all angles. Okay, the snap ring. Let's see if that. I don't think that has to come off. Okay, right, let's try. I do have a screwdriver. It looks like it wants to come off now. And it does. Okay, there, tailpiece. And please don't spring out hit me in the eye. Yes. Oh, awesome. Not really sure what I'm looking at here, lads. I did do others. That's the locking bar, I think. Is that? Yeah, that's the locking bar. There's the levers. Not sure how many of those levers are active, but if you can count them. This isn't one. No, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not sure. Don't know what will happen either if we hey, just go out there on the side. Let's see for the fence thingy. But yeah, rake's open. You just have to vary the tension a little. I found I was messing around with this when I first got it for a while, and I managed to fumble through a single pin pick, but I had it for an hour more maybe, and plus I had no idea what I had just done to get it open. I wasn't really getting much feeling out, but yeah, I stuck this rake in it first, and I felt something. I certainly could feel some of them the things lever setting, but needed something with a bit more oomph. So this fella worked brilliantly in there. So yeah, I'm not really sure how far more, if we can keep going. Oh, there we go. Has anything happened there? Yes, it has actually. Looks like the gates have misaligned themselves there now. So that's right. Yeah, look, there's one spring loaded. Oh, sorry. Let me just try. If I can try and get this to focus better. Just doing this on my phone, so. Oh, we appreciate that. Yeah. Maybe I shouldn't have done that at all, should I? I appreciate your patience. What did I just do? I just destroyed the video. Okay, resume please. Okay, hang on. Come on, man. What's it take to zoom in? Isn't that crap? Everything was going so well. Oh. You know what I feel like now, don't you? I feel like a right dick. 1 second. I'm so sorry about that, fellas, but I just cannot seem to get the camera to refocus. The fucking thing now is really pissing me off. Now that is. That's fucking. It's just decided, nope, not gonna do it. Not having it. Let me try one more time. You know the way you're supposed to, when you touch the screen on the spot where you want it to focus, and it's supposed to focus. Well, no, not doing that either. Oh yeah, man, that's annoying. Anyway, I know you can't see now, but maybe you've seen before. They're all spring loaded. Yeah. There's the little gates, they move back and forth. God, man, that's wrecked. And this guy drops down. So apologies for the loss of focus from me and the camera, but maybe someone learned something, and let's see if we can put this back together and maybe do a more in focus video. Cheers fellas, thanks for watching, hope you all have a great day.